Hello guys, welcome to CG Artist Academy. Welcome again. And today I'm covering a new topic on a software, Realflow. And we are going to create a cool Realflow crown splash with Realflow 2015. So let's start guys. So first I'm gonna create my new project. I'll be using my Realflow project directory in my drive, work Realflow and 2015, and here I'm going to create a project name which is Realflow Crown Splash Tutorial. Create. So this is my Realflow. Open here. You can see the new viewport. We have some new features over here. The best feature and the newest one is diverse particles. This is new from Realflow and it's really awesome, and I'll be covering this about diverse particles and simulation in my next tutorial, which is coming next week guys, so follow up. Okay, so here you can find a hybrido like flip solver like earlier, standard particle systems, demons, geometry, object dynamics, and one more thing is render. It's Maxwell. Now it supports interactive rendering in Maxwell also. You can see your scene or renders in a interactive viewport. Okay, so let's start making realistic crown. Okay, so go to your first demons. Over here you can find a crown just like that. We have the crown. Now go to its properties, its crown width like 0.3 in my case. So splash will be starting from the particle will be starting from here. Okay, so it's like this, and the best part is you can edit your crown like the way you want. So click on edit and you can see you have points over here. You can select it, and just like that you can make your own customized crown. Okay, so I'll be making it really quick, something like that. Maybe this, or this one is like going to be like this. So you can customize it the way you want according to your project or you need. Okay, I'm just creating just for the tutorial in a normal base. Okay, so it's looking good now, so I'll be go with it. So next I'm going to create an emitter which is from standard particles, and I'm choosing the square. Okay, press 2 to your front view. It's more like a Maya viewport, like you use when you use Maya. You can, the shortcuts are similar in Realflow. Okay, so put it here just in this line. Okay, it would be good. So now press R to scale and scale around something like this. Press 4 to your perspective view. Okay, so maybe, yeah, this is good. Okay, so it's created now. Now I'm going to create an empty geometry, empty, or I can say that this one, which is open from upper. So press 2 to your front view and put it like here, and before that select your emitter and go to its properties, particle properties. Okay, at the end you will find volume. and you have to put around 0.5 something, whichever fits with your scene. I'm going to use 0.5. So now it particle is here, and whenever you enable the volume, the speed will automatically go off. Okay, so remember that, guys. Okay. Okay, so select now box and place it over here just beneath your particles and scale it like that. Okay, yeah, this is good. And maybe something like this, and again maybe a bit. Okay, yeah, something like this. Yeah, now press 3 to your side view and fit it in with a particle volume. Yeah, now again press 4 to see your scene. Yeah, now everything is almost done now. And one more thing I need to do is I have to create a plane also, so that my particles, if my particles will collide if they came out. Okay, so around scale it also something like this, and to make sure it's just over here. Yeah, so everything is done now, and I'm going to simulate it. But before simulating, I'm going to apply another daemon, which is gravity. Otherwise my particles will grow and grow and grow. Okay, so I have to apply a gravity, so my particle, so it will let them down. Okay, so gravity, and go to your gravity strength, and I am going to keyframe it. So maybe around 12 it will 0, till 12 it will be 0. Key it just by pressing on this button, and on next frame 13 set it 9.8, which is 9.8 G on Earth. Okay, so I am just trying to uh, deal with the natural phenomenon. Okay, so let's make a simulation now. Okay, my resolution is 1 just for the test, because I'm testing. So press A to simulate, to start your simulation. So it's starting. So I simulated only 62 frames, and I think it's looking like a crown now, but its strength is a bit high, so I am going to control it. And one more thing I need to show is, in this Realflow 2015, you have some new features over here, like you can hide your demons or inactive your demons right from here. So I'm going to hide my crown, so select it, and then the third one, you can see node is visible. Now I'm going to click, and now it's invisible now. So I'm going to first low its strength. So maybe first I'm going to reset by Control A, and the strength around 60 would be good. Okay, and I'm going to simulate it again. Let's see what's happened now. Press A to simulate again. As you can see, my simulation is almost done now, and till now I think it's looking pretty good, right? So it's very easy to create that kind of crown splash. Okay, it's not looking very dense because I am using a very few particles here. So if you need to more dense simulation, you need to increase the resolution of your particles. So now I'm going to increase my resolution and will show you how it's looking after increasing the resolution. So I'm going to take it around 5 maybe and reset the simulation by controlling A, and you can already see more particles I can see here now. So again press A to simulate the scene again. Press A and my simulation is already started. Before simulating my scene, I can show you some more tips about crown. Just like first I need to lower my resolution around 3 would be good. Yeah, that is cool. Okay, go to your crown, visible it, and in your crown settings you can see some parameters here like creation time, acting time, surface tension, spikes count. So I'm going to increase my spikes count for better crown, better looking crown. Okay, so I'm going to put it around 10, and you can see I have now more spikes. See, so now again I'm going to my emitter, and I'll be using now 4 for this simulation. Yeah, so now again hide it and start your simulation, and I'll be back when my simulation is completed. So again my simulation is done now, and I think this time it's looking really awesome, as I think so. Okay, so now you know how to set your crown splash in Realflow. Okay, and it's very easy and very basic, and you can apply this technique on anything like cup filled with a tea and something came out like fluid from it. Okay, just like the crown splash. Okay, so I will show you how to do that also just in a moment. Okay, now the second thing is we need to create a mesh of it. Okay, so I'm going to create smashing, so it will be my last frame would be 64. Okay, so 164, 164. Okay, and I am maybe on, okay, in this frame I'm going to try some mesh. So select your square emitter, okay, and go to your particles, mesh maybe. Okay, yeah, mesh, and we are going to use normal particle mesh. Select that, and when you select that, you will get this particle mesh option. Okay, so maybe go here and select go down okay, where is it? Okay, if I go to polygon mesh, okay, go to its filters, right here, filter, click on yes, and thinning would be around 0.02, and let's build mesh on this frame. So it will take a few moments. So you can see on this frame, this is our mesh. If I hide my particles, which is here, and now we can see our mesh. Press 0 to shading mode. Okay, so it's looking something like this, and it's looking really nice, I think. Yeah, so this is the basic parameters and if you need more realistic or thin mesh, you can try values over here. Like if I use 0.1 and then build mesh, you will get some other results. Build again, and now it's looking more like fluid. It's looking nice now. So you can see you can now mash your particles like this. It's very easy. Okay, so I'm going to mash my all over scene, and then I will show you how it's looking. Make sure when I'm going to mash your simulation, uh, set your emitter to cast mode. Okay, from when you apply this, it will not recalculate or simulate your particles. It will only simulate your mesh. Okay guys, and before simulating mesh, press F12 to go to your export central and check your mesh sequence, bin sequence is selected, so that when it's be mashing, it's export the mesh into bin files, so you can import in your any 3D application which support Realflow plugins like Maya, 3ds Max, like this. Okay, so make sure you enable it. Okay, so I'm going to my first frame now and going to build my mesh. Simulate. Yes. My meshing is also done now, and you can see it's pretty dense. So now I'm gonna see how it's looking like after applying a material. And with this Realflow 2015, we don't need to open any 3D application to import mesh and apply shader and see what is looking like. So I can do this, and we can do this in Realflow 2015 right here. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Select your mesh. Okay, select your mesh and go to its display, and here you can see just below the renderable materials, select whatever you need. I'm going to apply maybe like T. Yeah, T would be fine. And so I'm going to see it how it's looking in interactive Maxwell render. Okay, so as I applied the material, I'm going to click on this icon here and go to Maxwell interactive. Just click on that. Okay, when I apply this, it's telling me cannot render it without lights. Please select physical sky or ideal. Okay, so we are going to enable our physical sky. Click on again relationship editor and go to its okay, render. Here you can see Maxwell settings, and go to settings and just click on this, use physical sky. Click on OK, and now click on this icon again and select Maxwell interactive, and now you can see it's showing me the real-time rendering. And as you can see, my fluid is looking good. As I move my viewport, it's updating in the interactive rendering window. So now you can get the details and get everything what I've done in Realflow, and now you know how to create this effect like crown splash like. Okay, and in 2015 it's really good and fast. And if you want to uh, make preview from Realflow, you can go to playback and click on OpenGL and Maxwell Preview. If you click on Maxwell Preview, it will give you this just like this interactive rendering. Like it will render the sequence with a shader. Okay. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and I'm pretty sure you will subscribe my channel and like my videos. And next week I'm going to show you how to create particles with Diverso, the new solver from Realflow 2015, in which I'm going to discuss some features and tips and techniques about Realflow 2015. Okay, so follow me guys and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, have a great day.